Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a hole in an object. So let's just draw a square. It's not exactly a square, but that will do. Extrude that. And there we go, we've got our cuboid, and from there we can create a hole. So we'll just cancel that. So what you want to do is under create that bit on the left, you've got the hole object, which is next to the revolve object. So you'll click on that, and you can click on the surface, so on the face that you like it. So we're going to want a hole on the top here. So what you can do is drag it around. There will be a spot which is the center of that face, so we'll just lock it onto there for the moment. And then in this box on the left here, we've got different types. So we've got a countersunk, a counterbored hole, and a simple hole. So let's say you're designing something where a screw needs to go in, so we'll do a countersink, because that will allow the screw head to sit flush. What that will do is then give us the dimensions. So what we can do then is obviously have different types of holes. So we'll just put in a tapped hole. Let's say we've got a bolt going through there. Obviously we want a thread, so it can sit in nicely. And then we've also got the drill point. So you'll either have angled or flat. Obviously flat will be a flat bottom, and then angled will be the angled bottom. From there we obviously have the different dimensions. So we've got the depth of the hole. So let's just say we want that all the way through, because that's going to be bolting. Obviously 30mm, that goes right through it. And then we can select the depth of the countersunk bit. Sorry, not the depth, the width even. So let's say that's going to be 15. Oh, that's a bit big. So fit. Let's do 12. And then you've got the angle of the countersink. We'll just keep that at 90 degrees, because that's pretty much standard for the majority of the screws. So that means that just sits flush there. And then we've also got the diameter of the hole itself. So obviously there is 8.25, 8.52 rather. So obviously that's just standard. So under here we've got different thread types. So obviously we'll just go for a metric, and we want to put a, let's say, 9mm bolt in there. So that will then automatically change the dimensions for the width of the hole. And then you go designation M9 by 1.25, keep that standard, direction right hand, and that's it. Press OK, and there we go, we have got our countersunk threaded hole. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.